Welcome back to the AB Car Info. The 2025 Mercedes Vito continues to uphold the brand's legacy of producing dependable, efficient, and stylish vans tailored for both commercial and personal use. With a sleek yet practical exterior design, the Vito balances modern aesthetics with functionality. Subtle design updates have made the 2025 model look more refined, with a sharper front grille, redesigned LED headlights, and smoother body lines. It maintains its robust yet streamlined silhouette, projecting professionalism and reliability, important traits for businesses that use the Vito for transport, deliveries, or shuttle services. Under the hood, the Vito 2025 offers a range of efficient powertrains, including cleaner diesel engines and an updated electric variant called the e-Vito. The diesel models are powered by 4-cylinder engines available in various power outputs, optimized for fuel economy and torque. For businesses operating in low-emission zones or looking to reduce their carbon footprint, the electric version is a practical alternative, offering improved battery range and quicker charging times compared to its predecessor. Mercedes has focused on minimizing emissions and fuel consumption while maintaining the performance levels expected from a vehicle in this class. Inside, the cabin of the Vito 2025 is more refined than ever. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and enhanced insulation make the driving experience comfortable even over long distances. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring the latest MBUX infotainment system with a responsive touchscreen, voice control, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and optional satellite navigation make it a truly modern workspace on wheels. Mercedes has also introduced new safety and driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and crosswind assist, making the Vito one of the safest vans in its segment. The load space remains one of the Vito's strongest points. Depending on the configuration, it offers a large and flexible cargo area with options for shelving, partitions, and tie-down points to secure equipment or goods. Sliding doors on both sides and a rear tailgate or twin doors provide easy access, which is especially beneficial in urban environments. For passenger transport versions like the Vito Tourer, the focus shifts to comfort and convenience. It can accommodate up to 9 people and offers features like climate control for rear passengers, reclining seats, and ample legroom, making it ideal for shuttle services or large families. Mercedes-Benz also emphasizes connectivity and fleet management with the 2025 Vito. The Mercedes Me platform allows users to monitor vehicle data remotely, schedule maintenance, and even locate the van in real time. For businesses, this means better operational oversight and reduced downtime. Maintenance intervals have been extended, and the overall cost of ownership is competitive, thanks to durable components and the brand's established reputation for quality engineering. In terms of driving dynamics, the Vito provides a smooth, car-like ride that stands out among competitors. Its precise steering, comfortable suspension, and excellent visibility make it easy to handle in tight city streets or on long motorway drives. Whether fully loaded or empty, the van maintains stability and control, giving drivers confidence in all conditions. It's also quieter than older models, with better insulation reducing road and engine noise significantly. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes Vito represents a well-rounded package that appeals to a wide range of users. From logistics companies and delivery drivers to airport, shuttles and large families, it offers versatility, efficiency, and modern technology in a premium yet practical vehicle. It's clear that Mercedes-Benz has paid attention to user feedback and industry trends to create a van that not only performs well but also reflects the brand's commitment to innovation, safety, and sustainability.